Namaste, folks. Before the reader purchases the book, he would love to go through more number of pages and understand and make an informative decision on the book which he wants to purchase. But how can we as an author increase the number of pages and open up more pages for the reader to be able to preview and make an informed decision of the book? There is a possibility, and this video will guide you all the way on how you can open up more pages to let your customer browse through your book and make an informative decision. Let's go through the video and understand the tips and tricks of how to open more pages as a preview for our readers in Amazon Kindle. First, let's check how much pages of our book is visible to the readers in the preview option before they decide to buy this book. So let's go to Amazon and search for our book and click the look inside icon. Okay, we have a few pages only visible, and this might not entice the reader unless we give them more to read and fall in love with our book. Let's work on this problem and sort it in such a way that 40% of the book is available for the pre-readers to have a look at it and then decide to buy this book. Key in kdp.amazon.com. This page will appear. Use the sign in option. This will land you on the bookshelf page, and these are the few of my creations. Now go and click on the help icon which is on the top. You will now land on help topics page. Scroll down till you see contact us. Click on the contact us icon. This will land you on the how can we help page. Scroll down. You will find many options. I suggest you use the option your book files, formatting and quality notices. You will further get two options, paperback or ebook. Choose accordingly. If you have both, then choose any one. It will still do the trick. Then send us an email icon will appear. Click on it to enable a mail window option. Key in your query. Be as informative as possible. Don't make them do any guesswork. Ensure to help them first, allowing them to help us. Do share your book title, ASIN, which is Amazon Standard Identification Number, ISBN, International Standard Book Number. Mention the percentage of your book to be enabled to be read for free as preview. Once you've filled all of this, click the send message icon. Once submitted, you will get an automated response that they will respond or act on your inputs within 24 hours. But they are so efficient, I have seen them acting or actioning it and implementing it in just few minutes only. It's quite an amazing team which Kindle has on the backend help. Let's get to check how our request has impacted our book preview. Find the book on Amazon and let's click the icon look inside. Voila! Here is the book, and let us see if 40% of the book as we requested is available for anyone who wants to preview it before buying it. This was my first book, and if you notice, the fonts and the formatting are slightly off track. If you have similar issues or if you are facing similar problem, write to me. I will post a video on how to format it correctly. I have learnt it over a period of time. Well, it's quite clear that 40% of the book is available for anyone to gallivant through it before they buy it. And this is how it is done, folks. If you have any questions, please put it on the comment box below or you can email it to me. Thank you. Welcome to the amazing True North. These are interesting self-help books in a story format. These stories can work on a subconscious and a preconscious level to improve positivity and courage. This is unique because there is an option of an embellishment which comes out of the story and enters into the reader's life. This element can be used to instill good habits and eliminate the bad effortlessly. The stories are intriguing and short, so it is easy to consume. It is specially for your children and for the child in you. You will find the link below to acquire the same. Utilize this opportunity. Become your child's best friend from now and for life. Thank you.